Well, as you can see, we are in a different stage of construction. All dried in with felt. Still need to do shingles, doors, windows, but hey, we're getting there. I'm here today. I'm gonna do a lot of cleanup. I'm gonna try to stay out of their way, but I get to do all the cleanup. I wanted to get a little video of how much stuff is on the ground. It may take me all weekend. I wanted to separate the nails from the ones that don't have nails from a burn pile. Looking good. Don't fall. Don't fall. There's a language barrier, but they kind of understand what I mean by that. We've had some pretty good rain here. Got the front doors up here too, but they're finishing up on the side. You see, lots of trash for me to pick up. We're gonna get some video on the inside later. They making a lot of noise right now. They need to stay out of their way. So I'm gonna start working on the trash, and then we'll get after that. The front doors are here. These are the back doors. They're supposed to have panes, so I don't know. I'm gonna talk to the wife and see if she likes that or not. I mean, we can change them out, but pains, no pains, I don't know. Well, I have cleaned up. The front is all good. Got everything where it's supposed to be for returns. Also got it all covered. Went ahead and bush hogged right here. I can't I've got to weed eat because this is my septic, and I've got an electric line going all the way to my water well. But everything else I bush hogged around the house, the road, and where the activity of everybody is. My neighbor sent me a picture And I'll put it in here while I'm talking. It's a huge rattlesnake. It was a little over 5 foot, had 13 buttons. So I don't really want to get bit by a snake. I sure don't want anybody else to get bit by a snake. So we got rattlesnakes, copperheads, cottonmouth, everything. So everything's been bush hogged around. Everything's been picked up. That needs to be returned. Put some materials under here to stay out of the weather. Also because they need this for stripping carport, which I already told you guys that. Then I put some extra deck down here because I need it extended here, and then we also need it for inside the attic of the house. Covered. I think we're all good. We'll deal with this later. More returns over there. And I believe what's next is going to be our heating and air, plumbing, and electric. Once that's done, we still got some stuff on the framing and cornice, I believe is how you say it, to do. But then we'll do the spray foam and brick. Things are moving along, guys. Things are moving along. Y'all keep up with me. Hit that subscribe button. Like it, share it. Most of all, become part of our family. We'll see you on the next video.